Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me in my original Somerset accent. So let's make a start. Right then, so the first thing I'm going to do here, and you can see I've got nothing on my skin at all, nothing. My skin is actually quite clear and you can see I am naturally flawless even without anything on my face. I have actually been tested before and I do have a flawless gene and that is medically confirmed. So I'm going to be using Dr. Sam and this is the daily sunscreen. And I'm just going to apply this all over my flawless skin because it's going to keep me protected and looking younger than my years. And by the way, a lot of people say I look at least 20 to 30 years younger than I actually am, and that is a medical fact as well. To even out my skin tone, even though it don't need it, I'm going to be using Jones Road, and this is just enough tinted moisturiser. And this is just what the doctor ordered because it's just enough. Offers a sheer to light coverage, I'd say sheer, and it blends out like an absolute dream. I generally do adore it. Speaking of things I adore, this is by Merit. I actually think that I put Merit on the map, even though I didn't, but I use their products a lot because I'm hoping one day they'll sponsor me and pay me lots of money to say good things about their products, even though I will for free, which is a bit of a problem. So I'm using the stick and just popping it in the areas where I need it and blending it out. Next up, RMS Beauty. This is a beauty secret, it's in Beloved, and apparently this is what they used backstage on Charlie's Angels. Actually, I don't think it's Charlie's Angels, is it? It's Victoria's Secret, but it's the same thing because they're angels. Anyway, I'm popping this on my face because what I want is a really pretty rosy glow, and everyone knows that the rosier you are, the better you are, and that's just a fact. So next up, I'm actually going to pop a little bit of Rhode on. Now I love Rhode because everyone hates Hailey Bieber and I don't know why. I think she's quite beautiful myself. So I'm going to pop a bit of this on. This is in Sparkle, and I'm going to just make myself sparkle a tiny bit more, even though naturally it's coming through every pore in my body. Next up, I'm going to use Tarte. I know, what a name. And this is Go With The Faux. And this is actually a faux freckle pencil thing. It's absolute shit, to be quite honest with you, and it costs quite a lot of money for what it is. But I like to use it because I like to give the illusion that I've got a little smattering of freckles, and it just looks quite beautiful. This is a Jippo pen that I actually managed to get from Amazon. I don't even know what it is. It's probably just like a Sharpie, but I use it to pop in a little tiny beauty mark, which I actually had as a child, but it's now gone. Next up, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use Merit again because, like I said, I want a bit of sponsorship, innit? So I'm going to pop this on my brows, and I go back and forward. I start going backwards because it just lays down more colour into the brow, and I like it that way. Then I just go back through and comb them around and about, you know, in a funny kind of way. I also like to brush my brows down because I is a man, and I think it gives a more masculine edge to the face. Now this is Hailey Beauty. Now she was quite famous on QVC and I used to watch her a lot many years ago when I had no friends, which I still don't, and I just think she's really sweet and quite funny. This is like a silicone product that mattifies the skin and there's no powder in it and it just looks bloody lovely. And to finish off this gorgeous look, I'm going to use a little bit of Pillow Talk, you saucy minx, and that's by Charlotte Tilbury, and Charlotte and I are actually BFFs. I do actually have her personal number, just saying. Anyway, I'm going to pop this on my eyelashes, and this is just going to give my eyelashes a little bit of a tint and give them like a little whimsical wonder in them. And that completes the look. I hope you liked it, and I will see you all next time. Thanks very much for watching, and stay flawless. Bye-bye. This is Rhode Glazing Mist. Rhode, because you married well. Oh, that burns. Me, that burns.